Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well. This is a first of hopefully many videos to come. This video's got no editing really, no intros, no music, nothing. I'm just kind of putting this together in the spur of the moment. Wanted to come to y'all today to kind of wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope the new year is filled with all the blessings in your life and health and happiness and everything. Hope you get to spend time with some family and friends. I'm currently taking a little break from working on the new wood shop and trying to get Nini&Pops fully set up. I'm still kind of in my old carving space here out in my garage, as you can see. But as I was kind of looking around today and cleaning some things up, I found some of my carvings that were sent to me from some amazing people, and I realized I never got to do a video on these, thanking them for these. So I thought, while I'm out here, why not? Let's just put ourselves out there and make a video. So first off, I want to thank Amy Jo. If you're not following her, you really should be. I'm so proud of her. She's an amazing artist. I call her my sister from my tribe. She's absolutely an amazing artist. So Amy Jo has sent me a few carvings. I've sent her a few. So I want to kind of show y'all a couple of those right now, a couple of my favorites. So this right here is one of my favorites. I love this little guy. He sits on my desk in the house. He's my little friend. This one here is probably one of my absolute favorite carvings that I have right now from any of them. I love this little guy, the detail in him. He is awesome. He's like my little soul carving here. And then this one here has absolutely amazing detail. I mean, she puts so much thought and time and effort into these. And she's just got such a good eye for seeing where things should go. Like I said, if you're not following her, you really should be. And I'll have it in the description, her page, and I'll put her Facebook page down there too. And then, not from Amy Jo, but I also got a carving from another amazing woman. Her name's Dot on YouTube. Dot did this one for me and sent it for me, and I never got to thank her either, so this little guy is so awesome, so cool. He also sits with the others. I'm gonna build me a wall behind my YouTube station and my carving barn out in the wood shop, and that's where these are gonna go. So you'll be able to see them, you know, anytime I'm on a video or carving or anything, because these are some of my absolute favorites. Like I said, I just want to come over on here and thank everybody and let you know I'm working hard towards getting some videos out. I'm going to be doing some scroll saw videos, getting ready to start doing some tutorials on those. I'm not the best. I've been using scroll saws for about 7 years. I started out with an old Craftsman scroll saw, and then I went to this Performax. Little lower level in the money, but I love them. So I'm gonna do some scroll saw videos. I'm gonna do some, hand carving videos, some Dremel carving videos, and probably some chainsaw videos. Doing some chainsaw carving. I get into a little bit of everything woodworking. Nini has her own business. It's Tiffany's Timeless Treasures on Facebook. She does a lot of woodworking as well, a lot of laser engraving, laser cutting. She is an amazing artist herself. I'm so proud of her. Matter of fact, she hasn't taken a break in probably, I'd say a little over a month and a half, 2 months now. She was in the hospital for a week, but the whole time she was there, she was stressed out because she had so many orders. But she got out of the hospital, came home, and knocked those orders out like a champ. So we'll probably show some of her stuff. Just give you all a little roundabout everyday life of Pop. So like I said, I just want to say thank y'all. Hopefully you click the like and the share and you hang with me, and you know, we get to know each other a little bit better. Have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and please be safe. Don't drink and drive. You know, there's going to be a lot of crazy people out there, and I'd like to, after the New Year's, I'd like to have you all back to watch me. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Y'all have fun.